EDO eNetworks Q3 FY26 results, strong revenue growth amid higher investment costs. EDO eNetworks delivered a quarter of strong top-line momentum in Q3 FY26, supported by increased adoption of its cloud and GPU-based infrastructure offerings. Demand from enterprises and AI-driven workloads remained a key growth driver during the period. Revenue for the quarter recorded a significant year-on-year jump, reflecting high utilization of computing resources and continued onboarding of customers across advanced technology segments. The performance underlines the company's positioning in high-growth areas such as AI, machine learning, and scalable cloud solutions. Despite the revenue expansion, profitability remained under pressure as the company continued to invest aggressively in infrastructure, capacity expansion, and operational scaling. Higher expenses linked to data center operations and technology deployment impacted the overall earnings outcome for the quarter. Management focus during Q3 FY26 stayed firmly on building long-term capability, with emphasis on strengthening GPU capacity, enhancing service reliability, and preparing the platform for future enterprise demand. These initiatives are aimed at supporting sustainable growth over the coming quarters. Going ahead, market participants are likely to track how efficiently EDO eNetworks converts rising demand into improved margins, along with updates on utilization levels, cost control measures, and new customer wins. The Q3 FY26 results highlight a company in an active growth phase, balancing rapid expansion with near-term profitability challenges.